Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker and I have another special selection of community highlights for this week. Let's get started with Night by Workable Experience. When we look at the code, we see a bunch of When I Receive blocks and Switch Costume blocks for the beginning of the game when we see the different costumes you can have. The point of this game is to defeat all the enemies that attack you by swinging your sword by clicking on the bottom right icon. Next up is a game called Just Some Little Thing I Made by BTYT. Unfortunately, I was not able to grab the coding page for this one, but the point of this game is to dodge all the asteroids and rack up the highest score that you can. In another project submitted by Workable Experience called Knight's Quest 1, this is a truly wonderful game. We see more switch costume blocks and a repeat block for when you move your character left or right to continue walking for a couple of steps. You follow the instructions given to you by the knight in the beginning of the game and journey through your quests. Last but not least is Berry Hunt by Vegan Crown. In this code we see some forever blocks for when you press and hold a direction key. You'll control your army in that direction. Clash with the goblins with your knight army and battle it out for survival. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can do this too when coding with Tynker. See you next time!